Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Gmail for smart labels and filters, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Gmail website. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials. Once you're on your inbox, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Select See All Settings from the drop-down list. Navigate to the Labels tab in the Settings menu. Scroll down to the section labeled System Labels. Here, you can enable or disable the various smart labels. Look for the options such as Smart Compose and Smart Reply to enhance your experience. Now, let's set up filters to manage your emails more effectively. Click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab in the Settings. Click on the Create a New Filter link. In the filter creation window, enter criteria such as sender's email or keywords. Once you've entered your criteria, click on the Create Filter button. Choose the actions you want the filter to perform, such as applying a label or marking is important. After you've made your selections, click the Create Filter button again to finalize it. Return to the inbox to see the changes in action. You'll now notice that your emails are organized according to the filters and smart labels. Repeat this process for any additional filters you'd like to set up. With these features enabled, you can now efficiently manage your inbox. Explore other settings as needed to customize your Gmail further. Enjoy your streamlined email experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.